The headline that's spooking investors this week is that the Fed may hold off on cutting rates for the first time in a couple of years past March because of the heated employment and retail and consumer spending numbers that have come out over the past couple of weeks. Should you be concerned? The short answer is no. Hi, I'm John Hewlin of Mastering Your Wealth. I'm also the CEO of Hewlin Company Wealth Management, an independent advisory firm serving clients and retirees in South Florida. So will things cool off? Eventually. Are we going to have a recession? Probably not. There's like a 20% chance of a recession, regardless of what you heard in the news, and probably less than a 5% chance the Fed's going to get active and start hiking rates again. So it is like a Goldilocks scenario where you have to remain patient. This might be the time where good news is good news. We're happy that employment numbers are okay and holding up. We're happy that retail and consumer spending is doing phenomenal. Not as much maybe as the past couple of years, but the point is that it takes time for CPI and inflation to cool off. Things aren't going to drop quickly down to 1 or 2% per Uncle Jay Powell. We get that, but eventually things will continue to cool, and we might not have 5 or 6 cuts this year, but eventually before the elections, we'll see some action or traction from the Fed in cutting rates, which will provide more traction for bond and stock investors. If you think about it, bonds, like when interest rates go down, bond values go up. Stocks, especially tech stocks and growth, love lower interest rates, which is why they may do better going into Christmas of this year. So it's not going to be a straight line. It's never a straight line. For one of our favorite charts and graphs from our newsletters, going back 4 decades, there are always 10 to 14% corrections every year. Bull market years, bear market years, things in between. Volatility is the price of admission. If you're not sure what you're invested in or why, if you don't have a financial plan or investment plan, we can help get you on track. Give us a call, check out our website, and have a great weekend.